Hello, dear friends. This is Dr. Mohammad Aminul Islam. Welcome to Aminulchem Innovation. In this video, I would like to show you how to perform voice typing in Google Docs. This video is very important, so please do not skip. Well, voice typing is an important tool by Google where you can type anything in any languages. So, to save time, Google Docs and voice typing can be an interesting way to type your message. Now, let us start. So, in order to do voice typing, you have to first go to Google Drive in your Gmail account. Let us click. Then, so after this, you can click here to open a new file. I have already opened a new file, so I am not opening again. So after this, you can go to tools, then scroll down, then go to voice typing. Click on here. Then you need to select your language. You can select many languages. For example, English, Australia. Then if you go down, then Bangla, Bangladesh, Bangla, Bharat. So you can select many languages. For example, I select English Australia. Now, in order to write, you need to click on this and you can start writing. So, voice typing, see, it is already started writing. So, voice typing can be helpful to you to save your time and to perform your job smoothly. So, after completion of your voice typing, you can edit it, then you can save, and then you can download it. See, then you can download in Microsoft Word or PDF or other format, and then you can print it. So, voice typing is an important tool for typing English or Bengali or any other languages. That's for today. Please do visit Aminulchem Innovation, like, comment, share for more updates. Thanks for watching.